Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my name. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. Your beauty is beyond compare with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Smile is like a breath of spring, your skin is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. I could easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Talks about you in his sleeve, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you can. I had to have this talk with you, my happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him even though you